Hot shots, Steve.
Blakely, down by 2, puts it up at the buzzer. Yung putback ni Ping, wala na pong oras yun. So kahit pumasok yun, wala na. Coach Tim Cone, visibly frustrated.
Frustrated, not with that last play. Maybe a little bit because hindi napuntahan yung bola. Pero, ang frustration ni Coach Tim Cone yun is a team effort. Yung desire of his star hot shots, Steve.